There are often problems at work that refuse to fix themselves or go away. Solving them can seem impossible, and they often get bigger and more complex when left untreated, which is where the 5 whys can really come in handy. The 5 whys is a critical thinking tool used to find the root cause of a problem, so you can solve it with greater accuracy. Without a proper diagnosis, you're only really treating the symptoms and not the cause. So let's take a look at how to apply the 5 whys. Number 1, first you write down the specific issue. This helps you to pinpoint exactly what the problem is. You need a clear statement to start with. Secondly, ask why you think the problem has occurred and write down the first answer that comes to mind. Thirdly, if this first answer doesn't reveal the root cause, ask why again and write down another answer. Then continue to ask why until you find yourself at the root of the problem. This step can be repeated as many times as you need to. Here's an example. First, let's look at the problem statement. I don't have enough time to complete my project by the deadline. Why? Because I went to too many meetings this week. Why? Because I said I would help people with their projects. Why? Because I can't say no to requests for help. Why? Because I'm afraid people won't see me as a team player. Why? Because I was always taught to put others first ahead of my own needs. The 5 of the 5 whys is just an indicator of how many questions you might have to ask yourself to get to the bottom of the issue. You might ask more, you might ask less, so long as it leads to the identifying of the issue's core. This tool is about digging deep to find the real problem. And once you've found it, it becomes much easier to design a solution to address it. In the example mentioned, the person will spend less time complaining about not having enough time to complete their project and more time being assertive, saying no, and protecting their time so they can achieve their project goals.